Jennifer Messado disbarred, but she has declared her intention to appeal the General Legal Counsel's decision to strike her from role.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Embattled real estate attorney Jennifer Messado has been struck from the role of practicing attorneys in Jamaica. The decision was taken by the General Legal Counsel after Messado was slapped with more than 6 charges of forgery and obtaining money under false pretense relating to several land and property sales. In one instance, Messado is accused of preparing an agreement in June of 2017 for the sale of a property on Waterloo Road in St. Andrew without the knowledge of the owner. In another case, it is alleged that on December 20 of 2017, she prepared an agreement of sale for 2 parcels of land without the knowledge and consent of the owner. She is accused of forging the signatures of 2 trustees, along with affixing the property owner's stamp and letterhead to facilitate the transaction, and allegedly collected US $270,000 as down payment from the prospective purchaser. And in yet another case, she is accused of defrauding entertainer Mavado, whose real name is David Brooks, of almost $31 million, and politician Norman Orne of approximately $28 million in fraudulent land transactions. Following reports during the hearing of one matter in June that Messado was winding down her operation to leave the island and that is still on the cards, the judge granted her bail on condition that she report daily to the Constant Spring Police Station, surrender her travel documents with a stop order in place, and abide by a curfew order which requires her to be inside her home between the hours of 7 p.m. and 6 a.m. Meanwhile, attorney Patrick Bailey, who is representing Messado in this matter, says he has filed an appeal against the General Legal Counsel's decision to strike her from the role of practicing attorneys in Jamaica.
Yesterday, the decision was handed down in terms of the sanction, and she was struck off the role of attorneys entitled to practice in Jamaica. Well, it had to do with a breach of our undertaking. She had given an undertaking to another lawyer, and that undertaking was not honored, and the panel found that in all the circumstances, she is to be struck off, and she was.
The General Legal Counsel made a decision at a hearing on Saturday, October 6.
Well, I'm sure she's not happy, but, these things are possibilities when you consider all the various allegations, and that is one possible outcome based on whatever evidence was seen and accepted. However, before the decision, I had already filed an appeal, claiming bias in respect of one member of the panel. But that is not something I want to go into detail, so I just leave that until the outcome of the appeal.
In a rare move in August, Messado asked the Supreme Court to bar her from practicing law in Jamaica. Attorney Christopher Townsend is representing Messado in the criminal cases brought against her.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.